Iceland. 10 bucket list destinations to explore before you turn 30. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Iceland is one of the most breathtaking and unique countries in the world, and there are certain places you simply have to see before you turn 30. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the top 10 must-see places in Iceland that you won't want to miss. From natural wonders to historic landmarks, we've got you covered. So whether you're a first-time visitor or a returning traveler, these are the places that you need to add to your itinerary. Let's dive into the land of fire and ice. Number 10. Hornstrandir Nature Reserve. Are you an adventure seeker in search of your next big challenge? Look no further. Hornstrandir is a remote wilderness paradise, boasting some of the most breathtaking landscapes you'll ever lay eyes on. But be warned, this is not for the faint of heart. Hornstrandir is a remote and rugged terrain, a true wilderness experience that will test your mettle, but also reward you with stunning views of untouched nature. The best part, you'll be away from the crowd, a perfect place to experience the true essence of Iceland's natural beauty. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, a perfect challenge for those who crave the thrill of adventure and the desire to experience something truly unique. And, since it's not as touristy as other places, it's also budget-friendly. Take the road less traveled and explore Hornstrandir, and you'll be rewarded with memories that will last a lifetime. Number 9. Reykjavik. Iceland's vibrant capital city is a colorful and dynamic destination that offers a unique blend of culture, cuisine, nightlife, and natural beauty that is sure to satisfy any thrill-seekers craving for something different and exciting. Experience Reykjavik's vibrant cultural scene by visiting museums and art galleries showcasing Iceland's rich history and traditional art. Immerse yourself in the traditional music and dance scene by attending one of the city's many cultural events and festivals. Indulge in Reykjavik's delicious culinary scene, ranging from traditional Icelandic dishes to international cuisine. Sample the freshest seafood at local fish markets and taste the flavors of Iceland. Number 8. Landmannalaugar. Landmannalaugar is a truly magical place that offers visitors an otherworldly experience. The landscapes here are truly unique and diverse, featuring everything from rolling hills to colorful rhyolite mountains, from steaming hot springs to rushing rivers, and from lush green valleys to black deserts. One of the most striking features of Landmannalaugar is its colorful hills and mountains. This natural spectacle is a result of the area's volcanic history and the mineral deposits that have formed over time. It's a true feast for the eyes, and the perfect backdrop for any photograph or painting. The region is also home to a variety of hot springs, which are a popular destination for visitors looking to relax and rejuvenate in the warm waters. Number 7. Skaftafell National Park. Experience the mystical trails of Iceland's nature at Skaftafell National Park, where the perfect weather conditions make it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a beginner, this national park offers some of the most enjoyable and adventurous hikes in Iceland. As you enter the national park and embark on a few short hikes, you'll be led to the awe-inspiring waterfall, Svartafoss, and a dense, frozen glacier. For those who love huge mountains and clear skies, the Hornstrandir Valley, with the Kristineartindir Mountains, is a must-visit. Climbers and mountaineers will love camping at Skaftafell, making it their base to reach the highest mountain peaks in Iceland. Keep in mind, to take in the entire valley and make the most of your trip, we recommend planning a 3-day trip. Number 6. Lake Myvatn. Embark on an unforgettable journey to the heart of Iceland's volcanic landscapes and discover the natural beauty of Lake Myvatn. Formed from the fiery flow of a lava river centuries ago, this lake is home to some of the most mesmerizing geological wonders in the country. Explore the south shore of the lake, where the rural community provides the best vantage point for viewing the unique pseudocraters formed by past volcanic eruptions. These geological marvels stand as a testament to the raw power of nature, and are sure to leave you in awe. As you traverse the south shore, You'll also have the opportunity to see the magical cave and rock formations of Dimmuborgir, sculpted by the forces of water and time. These uneven yet gorgeous formations are truly a sight to behold. Number 5. Jokulsarlon. Jokulsarlon, the largest glacial lake in Iceland, offers visitors an unparalleled natural wonder to explore and discover. With an 18-square-kilometer area, this lake is truly a sight to behold. Though it's only 100 years old, Jokulsarlon offers a wealth of natural and cultural experiences that should not be missed. The beautiful glacial lagoon is the result of melting ice from a nearby glacier and offers a unique perspective on the effects of climate change. You'll have the opportunity to see floating icebergs that add to the spectacular natural beauty of the area. In addition to its natural wonders, Jokulsarlon also offers visitors a range of activities. Visitors can go boat tour on the lake to get up close with the floating icebergs or take a hike around the lake to fully immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the area. It's a perfect destination for photography enthusiasts and for those looking for an adventure. Number 4. Snaefellsnes Peninsula. Uncover the crown jewel of Iceland's natural and cultural wonders on the Snaefellsnes Peninsula. This mystical land offers a one-of-a-kind, multifaceted experience that will leave you breathless. The peninsula is home to an abundance of natural beauty, from its rugged outcrops to its towering sea cliffs and the majestic Snaefellsjökull volcano, which stands at the center of the peninsula. This inactive volcano, steeped in legend and known as the gateway to the center of the earth due to its prominent role in Jules Verne's classic novel, is a must-see destination for any adventure seeker. Number 3. Akureyri. Discover Iceland's hidden gem in the northeastern region, the charming town of Akureyri. Rich in history, this ancient town has roots dating back over 1,000 years and offers a unique and varied experience for visitors. Surrounded by majestic snow-capped mountains in the winter and blessed with an abundance of summer sunlight, Akureyri is a destination that should not be overlooked. One of the highlights of Akureyri is the chance to discover its hidden restaurants, shops, and galleries. But there's also something to admire for nature lovers. The Akureyri Botanical Garden features a beautiful path filled with colorful flowers that give a sense of freshness and pureness. Number 2. Asbyrgi. Asbyrgi is a place where the wild and untamed meet the magnificently picturesque. Tucked away in the northern region of Vatnajökull National Park, Asbyrgi is a natural spectacle that will leave you in awe. The highlight of the place is its horseshoe-shaped canyon, sculpted by the powerful forces of glacial floods that occurred thousands of years ago. One of the most enjoyable ways to experience Asbyrgi is by trekking through the trails that meander through the canyon. The paths offer a feast for the eyes with towering cliffs, verdant greenery, and the glittering Jokulsarlon River flowing majestically in the middle of the canyon. The trails are immaculately maintained, with varying levels of difficulty, catering to hikers of all skill levels. As per Norse legend, Asbyrgi was formed when Odin's eight-legged horse, Sleipnir, set his foot down on the earth. The place is considered sacred by the locals, and you can find small statues of Sleipnir scattered in the area. Number 1. The Golden Circle. The Golden Circle in Iceland is a destination that should be at the top of any adventurous traveler's bucket list. This route encompasses some of the most iconic and mesmerizing sights that Iceland has to offer. Step into the geysers of Geyser and witness the raw power of nature as you see hot water and steam shoot high into the sky. The Great Geyser, in particular, is a spectacle not to be missed, with eruptions every 5 to 10 minutes that will leave you in awe. Gullfoss Waterfall is another must-see stop on the Golden Circle. This powerful and majestic waterfall plummets 32 meters into a deep crevice, creating a misty spray that can be seen from miles away. During the summer months, the sun creates a rainbow over the falls, making it an even more enchanting experience. Thingvellir National Park is a historic site of great importance, as it was where the first Icelandic parliament was founded in 930 AD. It is also the location where the American and European tectonic plates meet, providing a unique opportunity to hike through the park and explore the fissures created by the movement of the tectonic plates. We've reached the end of our journey through Iceland, and what a ride it's been. Don't let the opportunity slip by and regret not visiting these stunning destinations. Pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and tips.